Now here's the guy. Here is the guy. Here's the guy. Here is the guy. Here is the guy. Here is the guy. Ooh. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. This one I cannot hide. I feel good. Guys, how are you? Welcome once again to my YouTube channel. I'm here once again. I'm smiling. I'm happy. Feeling good. In today's video, just as the title says, the title says, I am unboxing this guy. I am unboxing this guy. And guess what? It is Google Pixel 10 black in color. This is the phone that I'm unboxing today, and I just can't explain. The longest I have always wanted to have this phone. I've always wanted to have a Google Pixel, and 10 is here, and this is mine. God. Ooh. I have a mixture of emotions, to cry, happiness, joy in me, and it hits so different when the thing that you've always wanted to have. It hits different when you finally have it in your custody. And this phone is one of a kind. This one is especially this one, because it is now mine. What we'll do with it, so many things, productive things with you guys. And so, of course, this one is torn. When I was opening this phone, I think I have a small video of how I was opening this phone. Everyone has that first time thing, because here it was here's a scanner, a QR code, of which I was not supposed to tear it, but I didn't ask to be helped. But then again, I just wanted to have this phone feel in my hands, and yeah, so, but it is alright, right? So this is the phone, the Google Pixel 10. This is the casing is awesome, because this is a box, or this is a package that I can reuse it over and over again, because these guys know how to packaging. In terms of packaging, these guys know how to package. And so this is what I do. Look at this thing. Look at this packaging. Look at this box. And here they also have this, and I believe this is where they have the pin, and also the manual. You can, yeah, Google Pixel manual, and how to use it. Everyone needs this, right? So here's the pin where you can use to get in or insert your SIM card. So let's have this. These things feels good. Look at the inside. Yeah, so packaging, in terms of packaging, Google Pixel, you're good. Yeah. And now we come to wow. Let us put that aside first. Now this here is the charger, the cable. It only comes, the box has the phone and the cable, The cable is C to C. Cable is C to C for charging, and I think data transfer too. So also the packaging and branding Google Pixel did well. Now here's the guy. Here is the guy. Here's the guy. Here is the guy. Here is the guy. Here is the guy. Ooh. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. This one I cannot hide. I feel good. I feel good. I feel. Is this black or dark gray? I'm a man, and with men we are mixed up with colors. I only know black, white, green, red. These common colors. I think this is gray, right? With a bit of. I think this is black. This side is black. This side is gray. This. Okay. That aside. So this is the phone. And just have to say thank you so much. Thank you God for making this happen. Now together with me, let's put it on or switch it on. Ooh, the vibration. So it is still new. It is new. Everything. I haven't set up anything, and yeah. So you can see. Haven't set up anything, and I think I can do it now, or I'll fast forward on how I am doing all this. Yeah, let me fast forward this video. We are back, and it is all set. The phone is the phone is ready. The phone is ready to be used. The phone is ready to be used. I just transferred data. I think everything that I had in the other phone, I have transferred here, and we are all set to use this phone. Google Pixel 10. There's still other apps that I'll download. This is it. This is the phone. This is the phone. And we have other things to show, because we also have the charger. Before the charger, we have before the charger we have this. This is the casing. And we are just doing it right now. So we get it here. This is also another good packaging. Yup. So here, this is how it looks like. It is somehow, it is good. Quality wise is good. Google Pixel or G. So we have the honor to insert our phone in place, the last corner. We are set. So this is it. So everything I just transferred from my previous, or the other phone, not my previous, because I still have it, from the other phone to this. So I'll have to adjust to do some 2-3 things, because I can see there are no other applications in this phone. I'll have to download them. So this is how it is. Black. I love black. Although I hear people say black is not a color, but I love black. Yeah, it is. Black is my color. So this is it. This is how it looks. The C-type portal for the cable. We have the camera. We have let me let me take a selfie. Let me take a selfie and show you how it is. Selfie, show you how it is. So this is me, the first selfie on this phone. Let me smile. Ooh. Ooh, so this is it. See how clear it is. And now let me try the back camera. Should I? My setup is. Ooh, let me do some. Let me do this. Let me take this. This is the back camera. I don't see. Are you seeing it good? That is the back camera, all good, just as I want it. And now being a content creator and doing all these things, this phone has come in handy, because I'll do so much with it, and you will be with me in this journey, right? So that aside, we have to unpack or unbox the charger. And where do we do that from? I think from anywhere, just right? From anywhere where the nail or okay, here we are. Here we are. Just having the honor to. Am I the one doing it wrong? Oh, okay. Having the honor. This is the package. This is only the head part of the charger. Now the cable is separate. They can be different. This you have to buy it separately. I don't know why. Just like I think the iPhone guys. So this is the packaging. This is the packaging once again. And yeah, from where it is from. Now just look at how it has been sealed. And then I have to remove this. Feels good. Ooh. Have to do a lot of opening. These people really value their customers. Me being one of them. I think they should have I think they should have, if they don't have, somewhere to write their customers. And now should be the new one in their portfolio, right? So this is it, C2C. So I have to, where is it? Have the honor. I waited for today, specifically today, so that I can do things once and for all. How do we do this thing? Once and for all. I didn't want to open them, then get them back in the box. Yeah, it is good to be original, right? And now have the honor to unbox a brand new phone. Yeah, so like that, when charging, and that, of course I'm not charging it now. I will charge it later because I have to use it when it's 100% charged, right? Yes. So overall, this is it is a new phone, just as you have seen it. I finally have it. Thank you, God, for making this work. Thank you, God, for doing this. Thank you for everything. And now, I am happy. This video was just all about unboxing the phone and just loving it and just talking about it, being happy about it. And I think in the next video I can do a review. I can do a review of how maybe 1 week or 1 month of having this phone, how it's been, or how it will take me through the processes, learning to use it, and just a review of overally how it will be. Yeah. So until the next video, let's meet there. Thank you for watching this video until this point. Remember to subscribe for more content, adventurous content. And now you'll be seeing me with the camera or with this phone.